that boy's life is to send him back to his world.
The only thing that will save the boy's life is me! I have prayed to the gods, and at last they've answered. They saved my life so that I can save his. My heart knows this. Please, Tantan!
I will find where he comes from.
Julian, no!
I will find who he is and soon. But till I return,